Hey kiddos, it's Miss Cochran. I thought I'd check in with y'all. Hopefully y'all are doing good. You're getting all your stuff done. I know everybody's been really busy. I was busy last week looking through all the stuff y'all have done, and y'all have done a really good job. Y'all staying on top of things. And thank y'all so much for being dedicated and self-starters. That's awesome. Alright, so let's talk about what we're going to do this week, okay? 413 to 417, transformations. It is a new unit, okay? So it's like we have 2 more units that we had to get done, and one of them is transformations, and the next one is data, which will be pretty easy. This one I think is a little bit longer, so we're probably going to spend a few weeks on it. It'll be quicker than the volume stuff. So anyway, your assignments this week, I've gone ahead and just put them all out there on one time. It's to watch the video, which you're doing right now, hopefully. Go to class link. You're going to do brain pop. And there's actually, I think y'all been doing this in science, but there's a way to actually assign a video and a quiz in there. So watch the video on transformations, and then take the quiz. And then you're going to be working through Khan Academy this week. So every day you're going to go in and work the modules on Khan Academy. And it's just like the first segment. It looks like a lot, but there's really not that many questions, but it is new content, so don't skip the videos and the lesson part, okay? So it's new stuff. So go through those modules. I think it ends with a quiz for that particular section. You should have all that done by Friday. And if you want to go in and do Legends of Learning and play the do the playlist games. Now, I think some people had trouble with this. When you go in and log into the student side, don't go to the Awakenings. I think that's something you can just kind of do on your own. But if you go to the playlist, that is where the games are that are associated with what we did. Transformations and I think last week volume. So make sure you're just clicking on the playlist. You can do the Awakenings part if you want to, but that's not really the assignment. I think it just leads you through a game. I don't know. That's the first time we've used it. So anyway, let me know how it goes. Let me know if you like it. I mean, at least I think it looks like a game, so that's cool. If you haven't signed up, you just sign up and put in the teacher code, and it's COCHRA 20. Do your best. Try and keep up with your work. Let me go through some reminders for this week. Remember to get all your stuff caught up from the last few weeks. Grades are going to be going in. I think they're going to tell us, the county has been deciding how to count everything. So don't stress. I think a lot of this stuff is going to be completion. Maybe the quizzes and things might be actual grades. I'm not real sure. But anyway, all that stuff's going to happen. I'll let you know. I'll give you an update on how we're going to be grading. But grades are going to go in this week. So you have got to get your stuff done. Remember that you are actually in school, okay? So this stuff's not optional. The next thing is to be sure to join our Remind. The code's right there. It's 3FAK42. It's also on the website. So it's easy to ask me questions that way. A lot of kids have been doing that, and then they can send me pictures of where they're working on a problem, and I can help them right that second, okay? So I'm monitoring this Remind. I'm also monitoring email. So if you have a question, just stop where you are, take a picture or a screenshot of it with your phone and send it to me, and I'll help you walk through it, okay? So anyway, just do that. Make sure you got that done. And then I do, of course, have a little something fun for you. We got a TikTok, and I like this Mitchell guy. He's hysterical. Anyway, this one is, I think it's like siblings with Corona. You may have seen it before, but basically, I've heard my kids say this stuff to each other all week too. So see if you can relate. It's pretty funny. Anyway, miss you guys. I sure hope we get back to school soon. Of course, everybody stay home and be safe. And in the meantime, y'all make sure you stay focused and get your work done. Okay? Talk to you later.
What?
Do you want to make a TikTok with me? That's my seat.
So?
So get up. Stop looking at me.
I'm not.
Stop!
Get off the floor.
Go back to college.
What are you doing?
Dude, get out of my room! Get out! So x equals -2.
But how?
I don't know. Mom just told me to help you with this. Can you stop breathing so loud? Hey. Did you take the last Pop-Tart?
Hey, Mitchell.
Get out. I'm on Zoom. Get out. Mom said that we have to stay 6 feet apart. Mom, he just coughed on me! Mom!